Conversely, if a planet is having aspect or conjunction of a functional malefic planet, or if a planet is situated in a functional malefic house, then its result should be bad. It should give you bad experiences. It should give you a bad event. It should give you, you should attract only bad peoples in your life, only those peoples who will give you not good feelings. You will attract only those events which are not good in your life. In that case, if Saturn is a functional, see, Saturn is a natural malefic planet, but if it is a functional malefic also, so natural malefic plus functional malefic, so it is becoming more malefic. And again, if it is conjunct with a functional malefic planet, so it is severely afflicted. A functional malefic planet conjunct or aspected with again a functional malefic planet, so severely afflicted, so it is giving you more bad results. And if it is again situated in the sign of a natural malefic planet, suppose Saturn is situated in the house of Mars. Now Mars is a natural malefic planet, so due to the natural malefic sign of a natural malefic planet, again Saturn will give some bad result. But if the sign of the Mars, if Mars is ruling suppose second and ninth house, in that case, even if it is a natural malefic planet, it will give, overall it will give good results, because it is also a functional benefic planet. So in that case, whatever result is of the Saturn, if there is a good result of Saturn, Saturn is conjunct with good with benefic planet, or situated in a benefic house, that result will be modified by the planet which is occupying the nakshatras of Saturn. If it is occupying the nakshatras of a functional benefic planet and a natural benefic planet, or a planet which is having a good signification, even the karakas are decided. Suppose Saturn is situated in the nakshatras of Venus. Now Venus and Saturn are friends, so in that case, that will give good results. Venus will give good results. Now if Venus is a functional malefic planet, then even if Saturn and Venus are friends, since Venus is a functional malefic planet, so Venus will give overall bad results, as the functional nature is more predominant than the natural nature and the karkas of the planet. Suppose the karkas of Saturn and Venus are same, like Saturn rules diplomacy and Venus also rules diplomacy. So in that case, karkas are also same. If the karkas of the planets in which the nakshatras are favorable, then the results given by the Saturn will be more favorable. So nakshatras are in a case they decide the results that is already given by the planet that they occupy in a house or in a sign. So if a planet is having good relationship with houses and signs, in that case the good results given by that planet will be good, will be even more good. The experiences will be even more good. The events that will attract more good events, more happier peoples in your life. Those peoples, those who are constructive, you will be attract those relationship in your life which are more meaningful. If already a good planet, that is a planet which is good by its position in houses and its sign, that good results will be more good if it is occupying in nakshatras of a functional and natural and a functional and a natural benefic planet, and of a planet which is of good karaka and good signification to the planet in which nakshatras it sits. So suppose the lord of the seventh house, the lord of the, suppose in case of Pisces ascendant, the lord of the seventh house is Mercury. Now if Mercury is situated in the nakshatras of the lord of the second and the ninth house, then you see seventh house is a good house, and so naturally Mercury will give good results because it is a functional benefic planet. And if